Hello, wonderful people out there. Hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy. We all love our body. We keep it safe from all possible harms. If you accidentally cut your fingers, you try to stop that bleeding and band aid them. You hit your leg, and the next thing is massage. But do you know that not just external hazards bring changes to the body? Your body tries to communicate if there is something happening internally too. You only get to know when it is too late because you have been ignoring their warnings. So, do not skip the video and watch till the end as I'll be highlighting some of the warning signs that you need to be aware of. And if you're new to the channel, kindly like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for latest notification. So, my first warning sign is frequent mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcer is erosion of delicate linings of the mouth. It mostly happens when you bite your cheeks unknowingly. They are harmless and resolve within 10 to 14 days. But if they do not resolve within 2 weeks, you need to see a doctor or a dentist. You have to be cautious with these sores if you eat tobacco and smoke cigarettes. Be ready to be at a risk of getting mouth cancer. This is just in extreme cases. But don't worry. If there is iron deficiency or vitamin B deficiency, then these ulcers won't heal. So take care of your diet. Let me give you some preventive tips. Brush your teeth gently and use a soft toothbrush. Don't ever think of slipping your brush. I don't want to stress on the end results. Use a mouthwash. Always keep yourself hydrated. You do not want to dry yourself up and cause extreme pain. Try rinsing your mouth every 2 to 3 hourly for about 5 minutes with warm water. A pinch of salt into it would be an added advantage. Changes to your fingernail is another warning sign. Nails are the most ignorant when it comes to men. At least we observe because we apply nail paints. Anyways, healthy nails are smooth and uniform in color. It becomes brittle with increase in age. Even if you injure them, they grow out. Now, watch for these signs. Changes in color, changes in shape, changes in thickness, bleeding and swelling associated with pain, and if the nail is detached from the skin. So one of those warning signs is Bewes line. Bewes line, as you can see from the image, are depressions on your fingernails. They can be due to measles, mumps, malnutrition, pneumonia and diabetes. There is another condition known as clubbing. Your nails become thick and curve around your fingertips. This can be due to low oxygen levels in your body, and this can be due to your heart, lung or liver diseases and sometimes AIDS. There is another condition known as white spots in your fingernails. This can be due to any harmless trauma to your fingernails, certain drugs or any infections. Then there are yellow nails. Yellow nails are thicker and they do not grow. They can be due to bronchitis, sinusitis, arthritis, and when there is any fluid buildup in your chest cavity. Now, let me give you some preventive tips. Always keep your nails neat and tidy. Trim them and do not try to pull on any grown nails. Know the underlying cause of these sudden changes. The next warning sign is changes to your teeth and gums. Our mouth and teeth are always accused if you get any infection. This is because the mouth is a welcome node to n number of bacteria. But do you know that there are certain health conditions that affect your teeth and gums? Let me show you the list. High BP. They cause red and bleeding gums. Even their medications cause dry mouth. High blood sugars. If you are diabetic, your gums swell severely. This may cause your teeth to fall off. So maintain that blood sugar of yours if you want a healthy smile. Obesity. Shocked? Being obese is prone to so many physical illnesses. You are risking your teeth too. How? I'll tell you. Your fat cells produce certain proteins that trigger inflammation, and gum disease is one of them. There is also a condition called osteoporosis. This makes your bone thin and fragile. Your jawbone also fall into this category and this loosen your teeth. Rheumatoid arthritis and gum diseases are interrelated. The more severe rheumatoid arthritis, the more teeth you lose. If you are anemic, the color of the gum becomes light or pale. So, Take care of that beautiful smile of yours. The next warning sign is changes to your hair. Hair loss is mostly due to the water or hair oil we apply. Some people experience hair loss due to stress. My hair was this much thick when I was in 9th standard. Know your reason. Let me tell you some of them. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism can cause hair loss because of hormonal changes. Hormones help in growth and regulation. This include hair growth too. So, imbalance in hormonal activity has caused that hair loss. Pregnancy. It is one of those conditions when there is wildly fluctuating hormones. Even postpartum mothers experience them. So don't worry. This would recover too along with your body. Autoimmune diseases like alopecia can cause hair loss. Diabetes also shows signs of hair loss. If there is sudden hair loss, you need to check on your hemoglobin status because anemia causes hair loss too. So, my preventive tips. Stop frequent shampooing and blow drying. Shampoo your hair once or twice a week. Do not tie your hair too tightly. Stop rubbing or scratching your scalp too vigorously. And as I said before, beware of these warning signs. And like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Take care, stay healthy, and I'll be seeing you in the next session. Bye.